Hi, I'm Chris Anderson at the EEWeb Tech Lab, and today I have the Intel Galileo development board, the first product available as part of the Arduino certified program. The Galileo features the Intel Quark SoC X1000, a 32-bit Pentium-class application processor with a single core operating at 400 MHz with a max TDP of just 2.2 watts. The board also has 256 megabytes of DDR3 memory, a microSD slot, 100 megabit per second Ethernet, UART, USB, and a full-length mini PCIe slot on the back. One of the key features, though, is support for Arduino Shields and the Arduino IDE. Technically, the Galileo development environment is a customized version of the Arduino IDE. However, it has the same look and feel, and it has all the same standard libraries as well, so any existing sketches you have should port very nicely over to the Galileo, and that's been my experience in the few days that I've had to play with it. Now, Mouser also sent a Tinkerkit starter kit, which has a variety of hardware and this sensor shield. So I've installed the sensor shield and a few LEDs, and I want to show you a demo of some of the capabilities of the Galileo. One thing to point out is that the Galileo is actually running a small Linux OS, and that OS is interfacing to the Arduino sketches. Now, Linux applications and Arduino sketches can be run concurrently, and Arduino sketches can actually leverage and implement Linux OS commands. This demo does just that. Now here I have my example code loaded up, and as you can see, the environment looks the same as a standard Arduino environment. I have the same examples, I have the same libraries, and it functions the same. If I scroll down to the bottom of the screen here, you'll see this command that is actually a Linux command. It's not an Arduino command. And so that goes in and it retrieves the temperature of the Quark SoC. And then I can use that throughout the rest of my sketch. The rest of the sketch simply lights the LEDs based on the temperature of the Quark. So I'll go ahead and load that up. And it's already running. And as you can see, it's reporting 69 degrees Celsius right now. So if I reach in and use my finger as a heat sink, which probably isn't the greatest idea ever, I was able to cool that down to where the green LED lit, and now it's in the next temperature range, which lights the yellow LED, and soon it will go back to blinking the red LED. The Galileo is a great development tool for students, hobbyists, and even professional use. It combines the capabilities of the Quark SoC and the extensibility of the Arduino environment into a small, easy-to-use product.